So the file which you require to work upon directly is only OTL file. What are these files? First, most important, called OTL. This is called outline. What is outline? It is a structure of the cube. Cube is structure. Likewise, your database has a structure. What it consists of? Table name, column name, column property, primary key, foreign key, constraints, join, all this information has. So this is my outline, which has got OTL extension. If you see the mail I have already given you for the practice cube, in a practice cube there is a file called OTL which contains this information. It is self-explanatory. It has information about various dimensions. There are some properties and hierarchies. So outline is like a structure, the backbone of your Essbase cube. How dimension and measures are organized. This is most important file. My outline is empty so that you can see it is 0 size, 1 KB, because my outline is at the moment empty. Financial operation outline is empty. Therefore, it is 1 KB. We just created this. Now, second file is TCT file. We don't require to touch this file at all. We don't require to interact with this file at all. This is TCT, called transaction control file. A very simple way to understand this: in a railway reservation system, two people cannot book the same ticket. I mean, two people cannot have a same seat number, same bogie number. How? Because they implement this transaction control system. It means there cannot be two right operation at a time. Two people cannot book the same ticket at one time because there cannot be two right operation. Transaction control file, what Essbase does, it ensures that if you are writing, it doesn't allow other people to write. You don't require to touch this file at all. Essbase does internally. There's another file called ESM. This is Essbase kernel file. Essbase used for its internal purpose in order to identify the free blocks, occupied blocks, and various other memory management settings. We don't require to touch this. Then we have got .db, .dbd. DB and DBD files, again it is internally being used by Oracle, your Essbase server. This used to specify free blocks, backup of free blocks. Free blocks, like in your operating system you do fragmentation. How does your operating system know which memory blocks are free, which are occupied? They use some internal mechanism. Essbase does the same thing. In a very high level view, you do not require any one of these files to touch automatically, but this file gets created. The only file which we require to touch over here, right? Now what we do, once you create application, database, the next is setting up practice application. Now practice application I am going to give you at this moment just for browsing purpose. Do not directly start working on top of this. It is little early and difficult to understand the business structure. So how to set up practice application I am going to give you. It will give you a feel how real world cube look like. Okay, so there is a file called cube1.otl file. I am going to place on my financial operation cube. So step first, open the outline. Do not double click and open the outline, please. How do you open it? Go to File, Open, go to File, Open, and open the outline. You cannot directly double click and open the outline. Windows still doesn't recognize the OTL file. Whatever outline given you, there are many. You choose your outline from there. Q1.otl, open the outline. You can see the outline visible over here, which has got, like, this outline for one of my POC we designed for global human resource. You can see the cost associated with each employee, various information it has. And we mask all the important information because it was my client confidential data. We mask all the important information. That is a good point to play around with this. Open the outline. Step second, save as the outline on newly created database. I assume you already created a database. This is my database. At this moment it is empty. My outline is empty. I'm going to overwrite my outline on top of this outline, right? So I will go to File, Save As. This is my outline, OTL, Save As. It says it is already exists. Do you want to overwrite this? Say yes. So now you got a ready-made outline. See, you can simply browse it and see how does it look like. Right, so now you have a practice application ready. Only outline is ready. Now if you look at complete practice cube, you see it has got outline, it has got data, it has got many other files. So in a subsequent classes, we'll be using those files one by one to set up the application. So that's it for today. I'm stopping the session.